Tutorial on how to set up Skytech. Uh, yeah, not really sure what to say, but we'll be setting up the F22 red, so it's probably in the links in the description as well as my Discord server. Much more. Yeah, alright. So, you're going to want to try and get your aircraft model. Now, if you do want animations, make sure they accept the control surfaces. Like this. So, yeah. Make sure it has that. Yeah. I'll be showing you how to add cockpits and stuff like that. Into a retro. Let's leave the body. And from here, click the model. Make sure everything is anchored. Drag the model in to the body. And ungroup it. Now I think I will be also uploading from this to the Discord server. If it looks like this for you on the other side when you turn it outside, turn on smooth plastic and make it more transparent. If you want to. Anything that has a reflection, so yeah, metal could work, whatever. And 6. Since F22 is going to be a bit of gold, and, make sure you delete everything in here other than there's one little wheel, so delete one of the wheels, which is something I do every time I do one. I drag the last remaining wheel that is not nose wheel to fit your wheel, make sure your model has a wheel. Now go into wheel again, go to parts, and delete the parts of it. Make sure it's perfectly lined up. Like this. Now duplicate the top wheel, not the middle one, but the top one. And move it to the right wheel. Now you're going to have to open wheel parts, and make sure it's aligned with the correct one. You're going to want to scroll down. And you see this? Can hide, turn it off. Do the same for the left wheel. Into here. Parts can hide off. Now gradual landing. Oh my god. I just have a retracted model. Alright, you know what? Instead of actually like making a retracted model, since I'm assuming you already have it, let's act like this is the retracted model, and so you'll see what I mean. And that's pretty good. Now, make sure you don't turn off make sure you don't make it transparent yet, because it's still gonna. Right now, get everything on the right gear and left gear. Put it into extended. Go down and turn off crank. So now, for the front gear, we're gonna go to put it into extended. Now, making a nose wheel. Move it to its the actual wheel. go in here, yeah, do parts, all parts, delete them. Okay, now move those to like scale those one. Uh, Something like this is only a tutorial, it's not going to be perfect, so put it into a rogue, make sure can collide is off. What happens if it's not on can collide? It will make your aircraft bounce a bit, and you wouldn't want that. Now currently you should already have a working version. Before you even try it out, go to settings later, and configure this to something like stable one if it's a modern one, and you get it. 2006. This is just so I could just search up. I usually set this is false. Go to engines, engine 1 main, which is an F2 primary, main, engines, engine 1 main, engine script auto. Set this to 125,000 if you want to, I don't know, whatever you want. Now we can test it. Here's the F-22 Raptor. As you can tell, all your sounds. As you can tell, the retract end wheel is gone. The wheel also turns. So, oh yeah. Hold on, I forgot about that. If you haven't already heard, you open the Discord server real quick from Skytech, so that you can see it. See what happened with Skytech and everything. As it's pretty interesting, but it's probably the roadblocks currently. Where is our lab updates? On the Discord server, you have to update your BE kits because I first recommend you create a script called Electrica because Roblox has updated the input action system, which is what they used for the integrated controls, to be exclusively one input per instance. This means keyboard and mobile UIs don't work together. Follow these steps to solve the potential issue. You can copy the script. I will leave a link to Skytech in my description. But copy the script, go to the settings loader, and integrate it, create a new script. Name it device checker. No, it's meant to work. Now, if we test it, it should work properly. Once you're basically done with this, you've already got yourself a simulator aircraft. I'm not even halfway done yet with anything. I'm going to need also tutorial for animations, and stuff that's in the get mode. I couldn't tell we're not yet, and the fact it does seem to work. Yeah. Works, it's all better than that. It's pretty useful. Now, now that we're technically done with the entire aircraft, I recommend you do these steps. First, move seats to your actual seat, obviously, because you are going to want players to think it's accurate enough to We also need to read download. No, sort of proximity suit. Oh, maybe this description, probably. Uh, um, let me find this. Is give me a minute. Um, create. No. Okay, so let's just click on the random one. Yes. Okay. Another page successfully loaded up. Sounds ready in like 2 minutes. Anyways, you're gonna search it up into the game, which when you get one, you go to your inventory over here, proximity seed, and import, go to get the proximity point, go into here, set, boom, now when you do it, you'll have a proximity seed when you set them. And then remove it. I recommend removing this DLC though, until we'll kind of get it right. Now if you put this off, and on the cockpit, alright. No, let's say it was landing elevations or suspensions. I have no idea how to do it. Because every time I tried it, it kind of messed up. This looks good. If I was buying, what about animations and stuff like that? Weapons. Well, let's start off with animations. Go to here. Perhaps go to again. But off from back. And go to Vehicle Mods. Okay. Try again to send storage. Go in here. Mods. Draw surfaces. Here's a lookup. Copy this. Paste into. Now it's in here. We're going to want to have to go to here. Mods. Which is in there. Paste it into mods. We want 22 reactor. Or whatever aircraft you have. Go to test UI, control surfaces. Paste into. I'm going to find kilometer 6D. Put this in mods. Go into the script. Copy kilometer 6D, the client script. Paste into and put it into start. Facebook. I already had it in there because it was quite previously. Just delete all parts, not lanes. Right, so anyone on the left, I don't know what I have to set it to this point. Your left alien. Rotate it. Oh, cool. copy it. No, not copy it, but put it in. Huh? And I have a feeling it's gonna work this time. Oh yeah, before you even do test it soon, go to control surfaces and your visualize system, set its value to the control surfaces and mods. Now, in a root, let's move this to over here. Here, yeah, I've done this. Now you're gonna want to move this into actual aircraft. Yeah, like that. You know what, if you test it, I'm pretty sure it should work when you test it. Yeah, I see that. That one works. Copyright in, put it into it in the right. Now copy in the left, name it F out. Do mesh it, move it to your flat. Now, perfect. Probably try to line that up. So, line that up. So, now, one flat, put it into FL. Now, RF, let me just copy this. Control something, copy AR, name it FL, delete that, move me into the actual flat. Now, here's the right flat. Let me quickly just. I think that's good. Probably. Now what I want to go ahead and do is go to setup. See this? Copy A. Copy AO. Paste it twice. Now here in animation.control surfaces .AO, place it with FL and F or and the other one. Now what I'm going to have to go do, close body real quick, go to mods, F, copy AO, F equal FL equals FL. We're going to do the same for FL. Copy FL, paste it FL, FL, FL. We're going to go with so yeah, that's the only thing I'm able to use page 4. Well, that's what you're going to be able to use. Yeah. Okay, so later is not a which is not so actually times trim do the same for this one. Well, now if we try it, it should work. Yeah, see? It works. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to control surfaces, change it to 140 degrees, and make it so that I don't need it to be extra. No, it looks like that. No. Yeah. Aliens. What about the elevators? What about them? We set them up too. So, elevator left. And you know, I'll split this video into 3 parts. After this video, I'll do weapons and hitboxes. And then after hitboxes, I'll do mods. Yeah, mods. And after that, we can move on to working with Aerokit. Times it times 1 divided by 2. Which we can just put the populace. And then, yeah, perfect. Is it just not doing it? Oh, yeah, that's one. Control surfaces. Oh, that's the point. We needed to do plus minus. Yeah, alright. And then do times 2 times. Do not do pitch times 1. As you can tell, we actually got that. Let's try it. Which is pretty good. Now the rudders. So what if you have multiple rudders or something? Clean this. Name it L. Clean this. Name it R. We'll line it up. Rudder. Set it here. And this. Oh yeah, remember to tilted vocals as well to match your rudder, especially if it's a tilted rudder. Now use the right rudder to right rudder, left rudder into left rudder. This into here. Rotate this. Rotate this. Now you have right rudder, left rudder. You can set up. I have to copy or animation the control surfaces or set it to L because or I go into here, copy this. I forgot to send this part. Make sure it's accurate spelling because that way it's easy to copy this. Just paste it. Yeah, I don't know. But it's just easy. That's in the beginning. No, just complete control surfaces. let's say that your rear elevator is rolling is way too much, and so is a pitch and stuff. You can set it to 20 degrees, and here you can divide it by 3, 4, whatever you need to have it divided by. I'm not sure why it wouldn't let me divide it. On this one, time is not 10. So instead of divide, what if we do times the 10? Yeah, that makes sense. And then next video, I'm going to show you how to add hitboxes, weapons, and stuff. I'll also add a thrust vector next video, and a button to toggle it. So yeah, but anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Uh, I hope you enjoyed, and yes, I hope you enjoyed, and oh yeah, I forgot something I saw. Hold on, I forgot something. There's no engine. So you have to line your engine up. Forgot about that. Okay, so move this over here. Move this into the center. Move this downward. Move this so that it's perfectly fit. Engine 2 as well. Engine starter. Copy this. Paste. Make it 2. And by the way, you can also have up to 25 engines, I don't know. Let me check how it works. Remember to wait. Wait till those sounds are over. Oh yeah, and another thing before I do that. Let me quickly check something. If your Afterburner is unable to dim or isn't bright enough, you can go to replicate storage, create a folder called Aerokit Afterburner, make a brightness value, set it to 32 or something, I don't know. I prefer to do it this way. Go to SFX Afterburner, effect script, change local brightness to game.replicate.Aerokit Afterbrightness.value. This just makes it so that you can control every Afterburner with a single value. Like this. So if you can understand, go to replicate storage, create a folder called Aerokit Afterburner, and then in the create a brightness number value called brightness, put the value to 32. Go to your plane, main, engines, engine 1, 2, how much you have. Go to SFX, Afterburner, effect script, find this line at 23, and change it to game.replicate storage.Aerokit Afterburner.brightness.value. Now let me show you what that does. It makes it brighter. a lot more easy to see. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next one.